Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the Liquid Silicone Ball Stretcher by the Boners collection. So let's get started. So this is the Liquid Silicone Ball Stretcher itself. And your manly shapes will look even better in this elegant ball stretcher from the Boners collection. This wide ball stretcher is made of a soft and flexible silicone, so it feels really soft and smooth on the skin and very comfortable to wear during use. This makes the stretcher stretchy and very comfortable to wear, even during your wildest adventures. Now, when using this ball stretcher, we recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean the toy after every use using a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth for good hygienic use as well. You can also clean it with a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water too. And that is the Liquid Silicone Ball Stretcher by the Boners collection. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.